Hello, this is a little update to the last video regarding the 705 combo carpet protection. The whole thing is hit or miss. Sometimes it works in time, sometimes it doesn't. It would really make sense if the robot, after detecting a carpet via the ultrasonic sensor, simply stopped briefly and extended the protective plate. Speaking of the ultrasonic sensor, depending on the selected cleaning mode, the robot may or may not use it. Pretty rubbish. Examples follow. Pay attention to the sound. I see no plausible reason to deliberately not use the ultrasonic sensor in all modes, and this should also be fixed, as mopping after vacuuming is simply the best practice, and you currently get worse cleaning results when vacuuming if you don't consistently use the maximum vacuum mode. You'll see why you should consistently use it with the 705 combo in my next video. Finally, my guess as to why the 705 combo currently behaves this way. It uses the same firmware for vacuum mode as the regular 705. The firmware release notes show that both 705 variants share the same firmware builds. I hope this will be fixed, like so many other things. That's all. Bye.